Hey y'all, welcome back. We're just gonna jump into this video, and today I have two quick styles. So the first one is just going to be a ponytail, a high ponytail with a swoop in the front. So I'm just sectioning off what I'm going to use for my swoop, and then I'm just going to put my hair into a high ponytail, and I just use a headband to tie that together. And then once I have my ponytail, I just go ahead and not pull on, but like loosen like the side braids so it doesn't feel as much traction or like they're pulling too tight on my scalp. So now I'm just smoothing the front piece that I sectioned out to use as my swoop, and I'm going to take it around the back, and right here I'm just checking to see if it looks good to me in the mirror and I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bobby pin it in the back on each side, and then I just wrap the ends of that around the ponytail. I have the ponytail on the top of my head, and I'm just playing with it and making sure I like how the swoop looks with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull 2 or 3 braids from the bottom part of my ponytail and wrap it around the hair elastic so that you can't see it. And then it just looks like there's braids wrapped around it. Keep wrapping, and then I just wrap until I get to the little ends and just wrap those underneath, and that basically holds it in place. I don't really have to like pin it or put a hair elastic on it. So that is the first look, and then I'm going to show you another look where we're just going to do a bun with a swoop on the front. So now I'm gonna do my swoop to the other side, so I'm sectioning that part off, making sure I got enough braids for as thick and full as I want it, and then I'm going to tie that part in the front with another hair elastic so I get it out the way, and put my hair back on the top of my head into a ponytail. That ponytail, I'm just going to loosen my front braids along the edges so they're not too tight, and then I'm going to grab all of the braids in my ponytail and kind of twist them in a circle kind of, while also twisting them into a bun. I don't know if I explained that good enough, but my first bun did not work out, okay, because it just didn't. So I'm gonna try it again. So I kind of twist the ponytail first, and then I twist it around into a bun. That's the best way I can explain it. But I try to hold the top down while I'm twisting the other part, like the ends of it, so that it doesn't get too, like, it's not tall up top, it's more like symmetrical, I guess would be the word. And now you can see I'm just readjusting because some of the braids just tightened and I didn't like how that felt, so I'm loosening them up. And now we are going to do our swoop on the other side like we did for the ponytail. So I'm just making sure that the braids are laying how I want them to, and then I'm going to bobby pin the back and wrap the ends around the end of the bun like you can see me doing here. I get my swoop into place. I don't even know if that's what you would call it, a bang, but I'm gonna call it a swoop, okay, because it swoops across my forehead. But once I get those bobby pins in place, then I'm gonna take the ends and wrap them around the bun and get it nice and secure, and just shape my bun into the way I want it to. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take some edge control, and we are going to swoop these baby hairs to the side, okay? Or edges, not baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. But once those are laid, then that is the final look. And that's my bun with a swoop. You gotta swoop to the side and you're gonna swoop them baby hairs, and that's how we're gonna do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.